Did you know that 2 natural substances might unlock the secret to battling dementia? Imagine if something as accessible as a plant extract and a dye could protect your brain and sharpen your memory. Sounds unbelievable, right? Today in this video, we'll delve deep into the surprising potential of Ginkgo Biloba and methylene blue. These aren't just ordinary supplements. They could be the key to preserving your cognitive health. Imagine a middle-aged man, Jack, stumbles upon a health study that promises hope for those facing dementia. What did he uncover, and how could these discoveries impact you or someone you love? Could these natural remedies really make a difference in the fight against cognitive decline? Stay with us as we unravel Jack's fascinating journey and reveal how these powerful substances could transform brain health. What groundbreaking insights did Jack find, and how can they benefit you? Let's dive in and find out. Our story begins with a middle-aged man named Jack. Like many of us, Jack was concerned about the possibility of cognitive decline as he aged. One day, while browsing through a health journal, he stumbled upon a fascinating study about Ginkgo Biloba and methylene blue. The article detailed how these 2 compounds could potentially slow down the progression of dementia and even improve memory and brain health. Jack's excitement was palpable. He knew he had to explore these findings further and see if they could be the solution he had been searching for. With a newfound determination, Jack decided to incorporate these supplements into his routine, starting with a consultation to understand the potential benefits and risks. What did Jack discover during his consultation, and how could it change his approach to fighting dementia? Before diving into the specifics of Ginkgo Biloba and methylene blue, it's important to understand dementia itself. Dementia is an umbrella term for a range of cognitive disorders, including Alzheimer's disease, that lead to a decline in memory, reasoning, and other thinking skills. These conditions are progressive, meaning they worsen over time, making early intervention crucial. The causes of dementia are varied, ranging from genetic factors to lifestyle choices and environmental influences. The challenges of dementia are immense, not just for those diagnosed, but also for their families and caregivers. Early management and intervention strategies are vital to slowing its progression and maintaining quality of life. But how did Ginkgo Biloba and methylene blue fit into the picture of early intervention? Ginkgo Biloba, an ancient medicinal herb, has been used for thousands of years, particularly in traditional Chinese medicine. Derived from the leaves of the ginkgo tree, this herb is renowned for its potential cognitive benefits. The active compounds in Ginkgo Biloba, such as flavonoids and terpenoids, are believed to improve blood flow to the brain and exert antioxidant effects, which can protect against neuronal damage. Ginkgo Biloba, also known as the maidenhair tree, is one of the oldest living tree species, dating back over 5,000 years. This remarkable tree has stood the test of time, and its leaves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. The Chinese have long valued Ginkgo Biloba for its medicinal properties, using it to treat a variety of ailments, including asthma, bronchitis, and kidney disorders. Today, Ginkgo Biloba is most renowned for its potential cognitive benefits, particularly in enhancing memory and mental clarity. The secret behind Ginkgo Biloba's cognitive benefits lies in its active compounds, flavonoids, and terpenoids. These powerful antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to cognitive decline. By protecting brain cells from oxidative stress, Ginkgo Biloba helps to maintain healthy cognitive function. Additionally, Ginkgo Biloba improves blood flow to the brain, ensuring that brain cells receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally. Jack began his journey with Ginkgo Biloba by incorporating it into his daily regimen. He noticed subtle but promising changes in his cognitive function. His memory seemed sharper, and he felt more mentally alert. These positive effects are supported by numerous studies indicating that Ginkgo Biloba can enhance memory, attention, and even mood in individuals with cognitive decline. Even more interesting are the further changes Jack experienced with the addition of methylene blue. Next, let's delve into methylene blue, a substance with a fascinating background. Initially discovered as a textile dye, methylene blue has since been explored for its potential in treating various medical conditions, including neurological disorders. At a cellular level, methylene blue works by reducing oxidative stress, a harmful process that can damage brain cells. It also enhances mitochondrial function, which is crucial for energy production and overall brain health. Methylene blue was first synthesized in the late 19th century and was initially used as a textile dye. However, scientists soon discovered its potential medical applications. During World War II, methylene blue was used to treat malaria, and since then, it has been studied for its potential to treat a variety of medical conditions, including methemoglobinemia, a condition that affects the blood's ability to carry oxygen. More recently, researchers have explored methylene blue's potential in treating neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. But what makes methylene blue a game changer for cognitive health? At a cellular level, methylene blue works by enhancing mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of our cells, responsible for producing the energy that cells need to function. By improving mitochondrial function, methylene blue helps to ensure that brain cells have the energy they need to perform optimally. Additionally, methylene blue reduces oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals, which can damage brain cells and contribute to cognitive decline. After adding methylene blue to his routine, Jack observed even more significant improvements in his cognitive abilities. He experienced fewer moments of confusion and felt more in control of his thoughts. Research supports these observations, showing that methylene blue can improve cognitive function and slow the progression of neurodegenerative diseases. How did Jack's doctor react to his new regimen? To gain a deeper understanding, Jack consulted his doctor, Dr. Smith, a neurologist with extensive experience in treating cognitive disorders. Dr. Smith provided professional insights into the potential of Ginkgo biloba and methylene blue. He explained that while these substances show promise, it's essential to approach their use with caution. Dr. Smith highlighted the scientific evidence supporting their efficacy, noting several studies that demonstrated their ability to slow down dementia progression and enhance cognitive function. He also provided guidance on proper dosage and administration, emphasizing the importance of starting with small amounts and gradually increasing them as needed. While there are potential risks, such as interactions with other medications, Dr. Smith reassured Jack that, when used correctly, these substances could offer significant benefits. But how can you safely incorporate these supplements into your routine? With a green light from Dr. Smith, Jack began incorporating Ginkgo biloba and methylene blue into his daily routine. Here's a step-by-step guide on how he did it. First, Jack began with a low dose of Ginkgo biloba and methylene blue, as recommended, to monitor his body's reaction. He made sure to take the supplements at the same time each day, creating a routine that was easy to follow. Jack also paired the supplements with a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, which further supported his brain health. He kept track of his cognitive functions and any changes, maintaining regular check-ins to assess progress. Jack wasn't alone in his journey. Numerous testimonials and success stories from others who had used Ginkgo biloba and methylene blue echoed his positive experiences. These individuals reported improvements in memory, mental clarity, and overall cognitive function, reinforcing the potential benefits of these supplements. For example, a woman named Sarah showed how incorporating these supplements into her routine helped her regain mental sharpness she thought was lost forever. Another user, Tom, highlighted the improvement in his focus and reduced mental fatigue after consistent use. These stories further fueled Jack's commitment and provided him with a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Looking ahead, advancements in dementia treatment hold promise for future generations. Further research might unveil even more about how these supplements can be fine-tuned for better efficacy, perhaps even integrating them with other emerging treatments to form comprehensive dementia management plans. Public health policies could shift to include these supplements as part of standard preventative measures against cognitive decline, especially in at-risk populations. Furthermore, broader access to these treatments through healthcare systems could democratize their benefits, making a significant impact on public health. And speaking of incredible health discoveries, have you heard about the miracle secrets of papaya seeds? Discover the 14 intense health benefits of papaya seeds after 50 that nobody talks about in our next video. Check it out and see how these tiny seeds can make a big impact on your brain health. Also, click the subscribe button right below this video and let us know what kind of topics you'd like to hear about in future videos by posting in the comments below. We'll see you next time on NATURALdocTV.